Hey everybody, how you doing? This is my new quad I picked up. It's 2015 570 Touring 2-up. Uh, really like it a lot. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I've been searching on YouTube and everything and can never find the right information or video in regards to upgrading the stock tires. And these are 25 by 8 by 12 on the front and 25 by 10 by 12 on the back, standard stock. And I'm going to upgrade to 26s with a 14-inch rim. I'm hearing a lot of talk about this bracket. I don't know if you can see it right here. I guess, with the Touring, because of the footwell that it rubs. So we're going to find out, and at least we'll know sooner or later. And I got my new tires that just came in. Ripsaws radials on with the STI HD6s. They're pretty sweet. So we're going to install these bad boys on here and see how it looks. And I'll do another video. Okay, I got the new tires on. All I can say is wow, they look amazing. And honestly, I don't see a problem. If you're looking here, these are 26s from 25s with the bigger rims. I still have the same amount of distance, about 2.5, 3 inches from that bracket. Unless you're really heavy, you got two people on here that are probably over 250, you might have a problem, but these are unbelievable, and they look gorgeous. I'm really happy with them. I got them from Rocky Mountain ATV online with the rim and tire package. It cost about $790 with free shipping, and the offset on these are the same as the originals, 4.3, and all I can say is wow, honestly. And it looks awesome. And I'm waiting on my LED light. I'm gonna put an LED bar in the front. So I hope anybody who has a 2-up Touring, don't worry about the 14 with the 26s. These are 11, 26 by 14, and looks like you'll be good if you want to upgrade to a bigger rim and tire. All right, take care.